No. Aya! Don't do that. Oh, it's everywhere in here.
Oh. Oh, God.
That is sewage.
Good boy, yeah, that's a good boy. Jerrod!
Jerrod, come here! Well, good morning, everybody. I just woke up. We're in Panama City. This is our project for the day. Yeah, that monster. We're about to get ready and get some breakfast, make some breakfast in the boat. Get the dogs ready to go to the restroom. Let them do their thing. And then get to work on repairing our front bathroom. So here they are. Hello, Ram. How was your evening, buddy? You slept good? You okay? Oh, it's cold in that room, huh, buddy? Yeah, we're stinky. Oh, there's Stinky. There she is. You alright, baby? Want to get out of that cage? Okay, let's get you out of there. Come on. Alright. Oh, Stinky girl. Okay, you ready? There you go. I think Remy needs to go pretty bad. Okay, buddy. Watch out. Alright, we got to clean that room today. Alright, so we're going to go do our thing and then we'll get right back with you. Hey, Mama.
Sure.
What? Why not? No, it's alright.
It's cold out there.
It's cold. Okay, so multiple problems with this toilet system back here. One, our type 1 marine sanitation device is busted. It doesn't work. Not literally busted, it's just broken, it don't work. Now I've just figured out that this toilet also, it doesn't pump. The damn pump on the toilet doesn't work. So what that means is I gotta fix or replace this dude. I got a brand new type 1 MSD, so we're gonna replace that dude. So step 1 is to disconnect the hoses and the wiring, that way we can get it out of here. So I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to cut the hose at the bottom, that way whatever's in the hose drains out. Not looking forward to that, but it's what we got to do. Got no choice. Julie, get out of here. So the hose that we're using is Saniflex. Yeah, Saniflex Odor Shield, 1.5-inch hose by Raritan. It's got a 5-year odor shield warranty on it, so it's supposed to be really good for odor. So it was a very expensive hose. We paid about $650 for 50 foot of it, but our boat had a nasty head smell, so we're getting rid of that damn smell.
That should last a while.
That's gonna be part of our solution, right? This, then your whole new setup up front, and then the same thing in the back. We're gonna pull the old holding tank out because it's yeah, it's in bad shape. Okay, I'm ready. All right, power up first time. No, the black lever on the bottom. Push it up. All right, we got power. Huh? Ready to flush. So there she is. She's working. All right, success. All right, wanna video me while I pee?
so toilet project is done. So now we're celebrating with some dinner and some wine.
Really nice. Got some pork chops, which I just browned them and I'm gonna bake them for a little while in the oven, make them nice and juicy. And then we have some fresh green beans, and then we got like macaroni and cheese and what else?
Jalapeno cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, that's the most important thing. Besides the rum.
We need to cut that up and warm it
I'm
up.
gonna put that. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for 10-15 minutes, warm up, real nice and warm. And then the most important thing of the whole night, right there.
You don't like me videoing you, buddy? What you doing, Remy? What you doing, Remy?
I think it's weird that Ziggy's going
Well, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, January 12, I think, right? The 12th?
No, well, it's the 14th.
I'm going to give her the benefit of the doubt.
Oh, it's freaking Lover's Day?
Yeah, that's February.
Because
February
she's not
14th.
coming.
Oh, well, it's close. No, the 14th? Okay, it's January 14th. We just took our animals for a bathroom break. The one over there he's napping. We've been making him wear a muzzle and he ain't too happy about it. Right, Remy? Rem, what you think about your muzzle, buddy? Oh, yeah. Mama's watching some stupid TV sitcom.
Well, you canceled the cable at home, so the only time I can watch it is when we come to the boat. Remy, you're about to make me spill my coffee. Remy! You gonna be spilled or what?
That's kind of cute. Yeah, that's a good spot for you, dude. And then this one, she's looking for some food. Julie, there ain't no food in there. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Yeah, I know. We'll get you something in a minute. So, today's a drive home day. We just came for the weekend to fix that front toilet. And I think that was pretty successful. Yeah. Now we gotta fix the back one.
Skip covering that weekend.
Yeah, that's gonna be a horrible, horrible event. Anyways, beautiful, beautiful morning. Check this out. Yeah, really pretty morning. Bluebird morning, not a cloud in the sky. Be a beautiful day for sailing if we had a mast on our boat. So I think we're gonna go see the mast this morning, huh, babe? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna finish our coffee, get cleaned up, and then head over to the boatyard to see the mast because they're supposed to be doing all the work on the rigging this week, and then hopefully putting the thing on next week or maybe the end of this week. So that would be great. All right, so so here's the mast for our boat. We showed you guys earlier that she was missing off the boat itself. Well, here she is laying in the boatyard. So it's the mast for our boat is made by Sparcraft. I think it's 60+ foot long. It's a deck step mast. It's a big old giant mast we have. It's not small, that's for sure. It's got a car system to raise and lower the main. So they've removed all the spreaders and everything. That was one set. That's where one set goes, and then the second set goes over here. All right. Yep. So there she is. So hopefully this week they'll get all the new rigging back in, and get all the rigging installed, and then get this baby back up. All right. So here are the spreader tips. Pull that in the light so I can. That one right there. Yeah. So this was one of the main reasons we're redoing the rigging on our boat. You can see right here, this spreader tip, hope you can see that, is completely broken off. See that? It's supposed to be a full circle right here. that dude was just busted. So that's yeah, that's one of the reasons that we're redoing this whole thing. And I just noticed something else in one of the spreaders. So, man, I hope we don't have to get new spreaders for this boat. That may take some time if we do. You can see right here, see how this one, you have the hole for the pin that goes here. That section over here is completely busted off too, so that's not good. So those lower spreaders were in pretty bad shape. So I'm glad we're getting all this stuff fixed before we tried to go sailing in this boat, man. We'd have ended up in a mess. So anyways, all right, we're gonna get out of here. We're headed back to Louisiana. Oh, babe. You may be wondering why Remington is wearing a muzzle. It's because he's been acting out lately, being aggressive towards other dogs. So while we work on his socialization, we choose that he wear a muzzle for his protection and other animals' protection. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Rem, come. Come. Rem. Come on. It's okay, buddy. Come on. Come on. Rem. Come on. No, sir. Come. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. You stay. You stay. How's it going?
Oh, look at this.
No, Remy. No, sir.
Oh, you know,
Hey, you stay. Remy. Yeah.
no, sir.
Look at that. Okay, Rem. You're gonna go, buddy. Hey. No. As you can see, our Great Dane needs a refresher in his obedience and leash training. Looks like I have my work cut out for me. Good boy. Good boy. Cut it too short. We gotta cut another piece.
Maybe you should measure first.
I did measure it. Like, not with a tape measure.
What'd you measure with? Your finger?
I looked at it. And I said, oh, that's about long enough, and then I cut it.
Okay, so toilet project is done. So now we're celebrating with some dinner and some wine. What you cooking me, babe?
Some rum.
No, what are you cooking me?
Rum.
I don't want
Some
rum.
rum.
I want food.
What do you use video?
You?
Well, I use video in that wall over
Yeah,
there.
you need to stop worrying about where the camera's pointing.
Well, I mean, if you give me
Okay,
video.
we're starting over.
No, that was... pork chops. It's pointed that way a little bit.
I'm going to kill you.